Which camera? This is.
पर्दा खोल दो थोड़ा सा like ये
Hi Pradeep, what's the question that you gave me for the day?
I'm wondering actually how the training of individuals in corporate sector is done. Because everywhere there are different people, but people say coaching is one only. So when I'm coaching different level of managers or different level of people, what should a trainer keep in his mind?
When we look at the corporates and when we are training the managers or any workforce in the corporate, we have to look towards their need. The needs would be always a standard. If we look in and we try to coach or train a particular person, it becomes very difficult to have a standard training program because the level at which the people would be varied. There would not be a standard that everybody would be lacking the same thing. So we need to do a technical study about their needs, which is technically known as the training need identification. Once the training need identification is done, then we take up the second step that is known as the DNA. So thus the I becomes A. So once need has been identified, we need to analyze it so as to what kind of training program can be designed. What should be the platform? What should be the mode? So after that only we can decide which program, what will be the length of the program, what will be the topic of the program, who all can train. So after taking all these things into account, we derive at a point wherein we start off the training. So if you follow the specific journey, this is going to automatically come out what kind of a training and how the training of the particular individuals are being done. And this stands true not only for the corporate managers, for anyone, any person in this world. You have to follow the scientific process. Training is an art as well as a science. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the answer.
Welcome.
Verify my query.
Welcome.